Hey. Hey, this is Chelsea. Hey, this is Steven. I have a picture to show you. Okay, you see little Aaron now? Little Aaron man. How old are you? See, look at her. Isn't she so cute? How old are you? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. We got a little something to show you. Yeah. Oh yeah, we do. Okay, wait. We have to explain how we got into this first, sorta, if we can remember.
Wait, those are
yeah. Okay, well, we were going to this thing at her church, and we just got back, and, well, she was all crying, well, not exactly crying, but all like, because the storms were south of us, because she loves storms. They were all south of us. I was happy, she was sad. And then she was like, I see lightning! For no apparent reason.
I don't know, I just felt like doing that.
So I guess there was no reason for us doing that, but... So, yeah. I see lightning! I see lightning! I see. Hey, you want to see somebody else important to us? This little thing, well, maybe not little, kind of old, is also important to us. That's my puppy. Yeah, she kind of wants out because we have the door shut. She can't get out. I coughed. That was a weird cough. I don't know. Okay, well, I think that's all we got for you. She says bye.